Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off the sensitive content setting over on Twitter, or it's now called X. So in order to do this, what you actually need to do is open your Google Chrome or Safari browser over on your phone or laptop. This will also work on your laptop or computer. However, if you're using a phone just like me, then what you simply want to do is go to your Safari, because unfortunately there's no actual way for you to turn off the setting within the app. They just haven't made that possible yet. So what you simply want to do is you want to go over to twitter.com, just like I am right here, and then you want to log in to the exact same account you have over on your actual Twitter app, of course. And once you're logged into that account, you want to simply click on the top left corner of your screen on your profile picture. You want to scroll down a bit and click on settings and support, then settings and privacy, privacy and safety. Then you want to see, you want to click on content you see, and then you want to simply check mark this thing called display media that may contain sensitive content, because we want to see sensitive content, of course, and we want that to be displayed. So what you simply want to do is you want to enable this, and now you will be able to see sensitive content over on Twitter, or it's now called X. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.